Are you spending whole day in the exam cell for creating seating chart for your college and school exams?
Here is the solution from Shines Excel. Here enter hall number and its dimensions. Enter the hall ticket number and name of the students here. You can just copy and paste. Completely automated with format control. It saves your time and work. Download the sheet. Create the seating chart with few clicks. You can directly take printout or save as PDF. Hyperlinks are used to navigate between sheets. Set your own seating limit in exam halls. Generate department-wise attendance sheet. Also, the sheet displays number of pages to print. You can generate seating arrangement, overall seating chart, attendance sheet and hall-wise question paper count with one click. You can save as PDF or take direct printout. This is the PDF of your attendance sheet. This is how the seating arrangement looks. Each hall is saved in separate pages. This is the overall seating arrangement and you can take direct printout. This is the hall-wise question paper count. Don't wait till tomorrow. Apply link available below. Or, you can download the sheet. For more details drop a mail at autocareshine@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 9498399487.